Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited coins on the DramaBox. This works in 2025 on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got tons right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this site. It's called zoomods.com. So once you're on the site, guys, you're going to see a ton of modded apps. So just go to the search bar and type in DramaBox. And as you can see, we see our DramaBox coins mod, right? So just press on it and begin the download. Now, before it downloads, guys, there is going to be one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do. Let's just wait for this to download right here, as you can see. All right. So I'm just going to let it load, and then you guys will see the magic, bro. This is insane. All right. So basically, guys, before we actually get the DramaBox coins mod that you guys saw on my device earlier, we have to download some additional files. So as you can see, it says DramaBox Coins Mod Installer. Please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. So they have these apps from the App Store. You got to download 2 of them. It's a one-time process and they're completely free. Now, the reason that people generally mess up during this process is they don't read the instructions below each app. Family Island, complete level 10, Dice Dreams, run to Kingdom level 6, WGT Golf, install and reach level 10. Now, you might see different apps than me, that's totally fine, but make sure you press on the app, it will redirect you to the App Store, and then you have to actually complete the instructions on the app, because if you don't do that, guys, this is not going to work. I did the Family Island one where you have to reach level 10, but it's so easy, guys, but make sure you're completing the instructions, because if you're not, it's not going to work at all. And you can see they have a thing that says check completion, so it's actively looking to make sure you did it. But guys, if you just download the apps, like, nothing will happen. You have to actually like run the game to level 10 or like complete the instructions. And once you do that, guys, you should get your DramaBox mod. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.